Hi and welcome, students. This is Chennai KC English teacher. Dear children, in the previous video lesson, part 2, we discussed a very first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Here, in the previous lesson, we discussed about the town mouse lived at the back of the kitchen cupboard in a rich man's house in the town, whereas the country mouse lived in a country. They were cousins. They often wrote letters each others. One day, the town mouse wrote a letter to his cousin saying that he was ill with a cough and wanted to stay in the countryside. The doctor advised the town mouse spend a week in the countryside. The country mouse got the letter from the town mouse, so he invited the country mouse. Then the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train. In that day was bright and sunny, so the town mouse feel very hot and uncomfortable there. Okay, children. Now I am going to explain video lesson reading A part 3 from the town mouse and the country mouse. All of you look at the textbook. Oh, we can see a beautiful picture here. The station name is here Mouse Country. We can see the train name also right side Town Mouse Country. Look at the town mouse wear beautiful pink and light green color suit. I think tie with collar, also a little bit brown. We can see it's a luggage suitcase and a trolley bag, and other side also different animals we can see. Now see the left side, the country mouse. He was wearing normal chappal and wearing dhoti and wearing a towel on his shoulder. With this picture, we can understand lifestyle between the town mouse and the country mouse. Now let us come and read the first paragraph. See here. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. See here, though it is very hot, there is nothing the town mouse could do while he got down from the train. The train also moved away, so the country mouse also waiting at the station while receiving his cousin town mouse. See next para. I will read. Listen carefully. Observe it. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink of at home. See, in this paragraph, as soon as we got off the train, we go to round away of our relatives. Then we say, hello, uncle, aunt, brother. We usually say that. Yes, could not tolerate that hotness. See, the town mouse feels very terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have ice cold water to drink. Next paragraph. See, now see the textbook, children. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Coconut water? asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? See here, children, in these two paragraphs I will explain. Dear children, in the countryside we can get plenty of coconuts and we can get coconut water. Coconut water is very comfortable as well as healthy for human bodies. So dear children, country mouse said that here we can get coconut water. The town mouse was not at all interested to take coconut water because it was very thirsty and hot. It was prefers to have ice cold water. And that time the town mouse fell in horror. Then the town mouse prefers to either orange juice or lemonade. See children, next I am going to read next few paragraphs. See here. I am afraid not, replied his cousin, but I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Root, sugar cane? The town mouse exclaimed. But I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. See here in these three paragraphs, I will explain. See here, the country mouse suggested that root and a tender bit of sugar cane. It is very tasty. If you feel hot and thirsty, then the town mouse exclaimed to say, root, sugarcane? I don't like to eat raw food. Raw food means not cooked food. See, then the country mouse replied to the town mouse, we eat this raw food in the countryside. So try it. It's no bad. The country mouse said to the town mouse. Then the town mouse nibbled at the sugar cane. Then he said, I wanted to sleep now. On that time, the country mouse showed a corner on the ground in the mouse hole. The ground asked the town mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, his cousin answered. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. See here, in these three paragraphs, I will explain. See, why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? See, in these few paragraphs, I will explain. Listen carefully, children. When the country mouse showed a sleeping place on the time, the town mouse feel surprised to say, on this ground? Shall I sleep on this ground? Then the country mouse said, we sleep on the ground in this countryside. So finally, the town mouse adjusted to sleep on the ground. Suddenly, he remembered. Cousin, he replied, it's then the country mouse asked, yes, what is it? On that time, the town mouse asked the country mouse, why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? The town mouse expressed doubts it all. See, here these are the few paragraphs explanation. Next, last paragraph I will read. See the textbook. This is how it is in the country. His cousin replied, "It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district." "Oh, is it? The country is a strange place," said the town mouse. But he said to himself, "I don't think I like this place." See here in this paragraph describes. See, I can explain this paragraph. Then the town mouse replied, "It is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district." Then the town mouse thought that, "Oh, this country is a strange place. This village is a strange place." But he himself thought that he don't like this place. So this is the video lesson reading A part 3. Okay. Now let us come and do our question answers. Okay. Now read the following questions and answer that follow. First children, first question. How was the train journey? See here children, how was the train journey? The right answer, the train journey was dreadful. Dreadful. It means very bad or unpleasant. Okay children, next I am going to ask a second question. See, try to give answer in your mind. See, second question, what kind of water did the town mouse want to drink? What kind of water did the town mouse want to drink? See, I will explain answer also. Observe carefully children. The town mouse want to drink cool drinks like orange juice or lemonade. Once again I will repeat this answer children. Listen carefully. The town mouse want to drink cool drinks like orange juice or lemonade. Next I am going to read and ask third question. See, listen carefully children. How did the town mouse feel about the coconut water? See, the right answer, the town mouse felt in horror about the coconut water. Okay children, next I am going to ask a fourth question. What is the raw food mentioned here? Fourth question, what is the raw food mentioned here? The right answer, root and sugarcane are the raw food mentioned here. Root and sugarcane are the raw food mentioned here. Next I am going to read fifth question. See children, listen carefully. Why was it so quiet in the countryside? See, the right answer, it was so quiet in the countryside because there is no pollution and noise and there is no factories. Okay children, once you read these question answers and try to learn in your own way, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share. Thank you.